Hello, welcome back to my vlog. I am from Nepal. I live in Saudi Arabia as a coffee maker for a year and a half. So I want to explore in Saudi Arabia as a coffee maker, employer, foreigns. What we expectation versus reality. Before we come in Saudi Arabia, what we expectation, so what we get the reality. So this is just for the exploring video, and then next people can inspiration from my this video daily life how to survive. So what is this in Saudi Arabia about the all information, like should be we daily follow the schedule, like we have the fixed time in the duty, so depend the your agreement how much hour daily you work. So my duty hour every day is 10 hour, so I have 1 week 1 day off day holiday. So 1 week I can take rest 1 day. Then 6 day I have to go duty for work. Then my duty is night shift. That's why my start 4 p.m. duty. Then now not 4:50. Now it's 3:30. So before half hour I came outside from my accommodation. This is the daily schedule. My so people think maybe this is normal just for the vlog. It's yeah, it is normal for the work, but daily how you survive, what your pattern is the daily life, how you can daily your schedule the follow. It's the depend the here. Most important thing people have to must understand from my this video. Daily vlog how to shoot, not just for the shoot, not just for the video. I do duty every day. Also I take the time from my vlog. Even if I came later, I cannot shoot the vlog. So every time I have to should be come early, then I can make the vlog. Now 3:30, so already I came out because I have to shoot my vlog. If I came for 3:45, I cannot shoot the vlog. That's why for this vlog I take lot of the time from myself. So why I making the vlogging? Also I have the some future plan. So I want to make successful in my future. That's why before I came Saudi Arabia, before people come, just work, then you go, just like that. He take just self memorial, doesn't catch in the video. So now when I came, I was start the blog. So want to come in Saudi Arabia, that guy can take lot of information from my this video. Actually Saudi Arabia, daily life, how we survive. My accommodation to workplace 13 20-minute duration time if I walk. So that's why I have to go walking then 20 minutes daily. But unfortunately today and yesterday weather is good. Now going to change the weather, winter to summer. That's why more day is not hot, not raining. One day raining, one day sunset. One day raining, one day sunset. That's why all now is good temperature in Saudi Arabia. Maybe after 1 week, become almost hot. It's unexpected. Become temperature higher. I think come 50. So this is my intention from this video. People can take a lot of information in Saudi Arabia as a coffee maker. How we survive the daily life. Not just for the Nepal. I am just for the Nepal. But this is video for not for only Nepali people. This all of people for all country can take the information, can understand what I exploring reality. It is just for all the people can same situation have to face. Not for Nepali people. So every sector have the different situation. But my job coffee maker. That's why especially I explore coffee maker life, how we survive daily life. So this is way I can make video without sunglass because this is very difficult. Now it's outside more hot. That's why you cannot see properly good. So I have to look in the camera. That's why I cannot without sunglass I cannot see properly. That's why I using sunglass. If sometime if weather good, also I try to become without sunglass in make video. But daytime have to compulsory sunglass. This is save the E. So today I woke up 2 o'clock, then just be fresh, then eat, then I came duty. It's maybe people thinking it's just this is the normal. This is from my blog. People can take the information, they think the easily. It's easy, it's just for normal. But day by day, how you survive is most important thing. How do you can take the daily life without so yeah, daily life how you can survive without family, without friend, without any your country, even you're just alone. So you have to buy self for cook, you have to buy self for everything like go market, cook, do your responsibility job, everything. You have to must be balanced. You have to must be responsible. That's how you can survive. It is people think it's normal, but it is not normal. If you have to follow daily your schedule, like 10-hour duty, then you go come duty, cook back duty, 20 minutes, just 1 hour, and then go market, then buy sell cook, and buy sell clothes, clean, buy sell you take responsibility you or place. It is not easy. People like think so. Most important thing without family, we survive here. Is just normal employer, but we are work hard working. That is the most valuable is the time valuable is for content for this video from my blog. People can take more responsible take information from my this video. So my video is now 10 minutes to 15 minutes. That's why I have to close the camera because time out left. I cannot do continue because my content is just for normal. So for me enough 10 minutes to 15 minutes for vlogging. So I want to explore what is reality, what is expectation. I do it expectation, but why you get the reality? Then people how can survive the daily life in Saudi Arabia without friend, without family, just alone. So I have to check the time, how long go. Yeah, 20, 10 minutes leaves the time. It's for me it's enough from my this video. People can take overall all information how we survive the normal foreign employer in Saudi Arabia. So I have to close the camera now because my timing going out. So we will see the full video. You can comment what do you think about my video. This video processing I make just for the future planning, just like that. It's my field. Now time is over. I have to close camera.